Hello everyone. I've recently started having this issue with the throttle on my Yamaha Diversion. There seems to be a lot of slack in the throttle. I believe this is coming from where the cable connects to the carburetor. So today I'll just show you what I'll try and do to fix this. So before taking the tank off, I just wanted to have a look that both cables are connected. So you have one cable that pulls the throttle open and another one that pulls the throttle closed, so you're never in an open throttle condition. They both seem to be connected, so I know that the problem is not here. So next what I'll try and do is remove the fuel tank, but before we do that we need to disconnect some of the fuel hoses that go to the fuel tank and the carburetor, and that should hopefully give us enough room to reach the throttle body. So fuel tank is off, and now it's the air cleaner's turn, and this is a bit tricky because it's got all sorts of pipes. So you've got this pipe and then you've got another one behind it, and it goes into like a T-piece, and that's going to be tricky to get out, but we'll see. Not sure if you can see this, but that's the pipe that's a bit tricky to get to, so I'll have to put the camera down and see how I can get to it without breaking anything. Right, so I managed to take the air filters off, and the problem was this crankcase breather. So you can see it comes from the rocker cover and goes inside the air filter, and that's just recirculating the blow-by gases. There's also this pipe that connects to the airbox, and as far as I can tell, this is just kind of some sort of drain, so in case you get fuel or coolant, well, this is an air cooled, but if you get too many blow-by gases and you get oil in there, this is just a drain. And after looking around a bit more, I could see that the throttle cable is disconnected. So somehow when I was riding, this must have come off. It should be set there, and it's now loose in here, so I don't even know how I had throttle, because this is actually the cable that pulls the throttle open, and the other one is the cable that pulls the throttle closed. So when I'm pulling on the throttle, you can see it's kind of digging itself in there. So I'll put that back together, but I just wanted to show you basically how the carburetor is connected here. So you have this this pipe, or this cable I should say, that when you pull the throttle back, this makes sure that the throttle gets closed, and then this is the one that when you open the throttle, then this will pull it open. Is this cable is the choke, so make sure if you do anything you connect this back. So when you pull the choke here, it opens, basically allows more fuel in. You can see that there.